Hello. This question and answer is for Laurie, who asks, if the universe is constantly expanding and everything is moving away from everything else, then why do things collide? And it's a really good question. I think you could extend it as far as to say, why do atoms even hold together? Why do magnets pull things together? Why does gravity attract objects? Why do orbits even happen? And the answer is that the force that's pushing the universe apart is extremely weak compared to even gravity, which itself is extremely weak, and certainly extremely weak compared to the nuclear forces that hold atoms together. You only really observe the force that's pushing the galaxy, the universe apart, causing the expansion, at the very largest spatial scales. So, for example, we can make something land on the moon, despite the fact that the space between the Earth and the moon is technically expanding, because the other forces that we're using are just massively overwhelm the force that's pushing the universe apart at the spatial scales between the Earth and the moon. Likewise, even within the galaxy. So if we had the technology, we could travel to another star system over 20, 30, 40 years. And it would still be, we'd be able to figure out where it would be when we were that far away, and we'd be able to navigate to it. Even though the light years of space between those two objects, our star and the other star, is expanding, it's just happening on such a small, it's just happening at such a small scale, compared to the other forces at work. So that's why when we look in the great recesses of the universe, the absolute depths of the vastness, that's where we see the expanding universe. And so that's why things still collide and atoms hold together and we can go places. So great question, and I hope that helped.